Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned face value, place value, writing the number in the expanded form and writing the number in short form or standard form. So today, based on that, let us solve exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Insert commas using Indian system of numeration and write the place value of the highest digit in each of these. So in first or second class we learned how to insert commas according to Indian place value system. So Indian place value system, we place commas after each period. First period consists of ones, tens, hundred. So here we are going to insert comma, that we will write the number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Here number is not there. Which is the highest digit over here? The highest digit 9. When you see all the digits 0, 1, 3, 4, 8 and 9. So 9 is the highest digit. So what is the place value of the highest digit in the number? The place value is 1. 9 into 1 is 9. So place value is the number multiplied by the place value, in which place it is. So next question. So we have to insert comma according to Indian place value system. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So when you are reading 42 lakhs 81,172. Then, so as I said, you can make small for using pencil. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So in next, which is the highest digit? 4, 2, 8, 1, 1, 7, 2, 8. So 8 is the highest digit. So what is the place value of the highest digit? The highest digit in which place? Highest digit in 10,000's place. 10,000 into 8. 80,000. Just see, in front of 8, 4 zeros are there. You have to place 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Easy method. Next number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So highest digit is 6. And place value of the highest digit is, in which place it is? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is in 10 lakhs place. So the place value of highest digit 6 is 60 lakhs. Place directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. You can write like that also. So D, E, F, try by yourself, which will be provided to you in the notes. Next question, write in the standard form. So you have to write the number in standard form first. Ones, tens, 100. So we will write the place value of the place name of the highest digit, last digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So we have written only the highest digit. Here 6, here 5, here 3 and here 7. So 7 is in lakhs place, 3 is in 10,000's place, 5 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. So write simply ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Which is the number in the ones place? It is 3. In tens place it is 6. 100 place 5. Any number is in there in thousands place? No. 0. In 10,000's place 3. And in lakhs place 7. So it is 7,30,563 together. 7,30,563 563. One more method I told. You write it one side and add the same number you are going to get. Here next number. Ones place only one number. Ones, tens. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So again you make a small mark like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So which is the from left to right we will move, or else right to left, whatever. So ones place 9, tens place 7, 100 place any number is there? No. 0 will write. Thousands place 3, 10,000s place 5, and lakhs place any number is there? No. 0, and in 10 lakhs place 50. 50 lakh, 53,079. 50 lakh, 53,000 together, 53,079. So next question. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, ones. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So it is 8 lakh 90,000 97,245, or else 5 you write. 4, 2 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, 9 in 10,000s place, and 8 in lakhs place. So together when you read 8,97,245. D and E question try by yourself, which will be provided to you in the classwork. So next question, write in expanded form. So how you are going to write? Every time whenever you are writing, mark with a small font till you understand the place values thoroughly. So if you understood, no need to write. So it is, when you are going to read 4,25,369. So I will write 4 lakhs first. So in 4 lakhs we have, before count the numbers, 1, 2, 3 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places are there, 5 zeros. Next it is 20,000. 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20,000 you will write like this, or 4 zeros directly. 5,000, 5 is in thousands place, 5,000 plus 300 plus 60, 6 tens are 60 plus 9. So this is how you are going to write the number in expanded form. Easy method. Write the number, count the places, how many places are there, that many zeros you write. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 3 lakh, 3 and 5 zeros in front, 3 lakh plus 10,000, 4 zeros, 8,000, 3 zeros plus 400 plus 10 plus 5. So this is how you are going to write. So it is directly clear. It is 80 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 3. Remaining 2 problems you try by yourself, which will be given to you in the classwork. So here completes exercise 1.3. Thank you.